Welcome back to my channel. This is Mac, and today we're working on the truck. I discovered how to fix something or open up my center latch, and I couldn't find any videos on it, so I'm gonna create this. A lot of people know how to fix the center console, but there's several of us out there that just don't know how to open it up when it's stuck and broken. So I'm here to show you that today. I'm gonna show it to you right now. I just did the formidable. I went ahead and closed it. So the way to open this, I used a little pick, okay? And as you can see, no matter how I finagle this and try to push this, I cannot get this open. I didn't have to take that off, but I just was jacking around with it. And really what you're gonna do is you're gonna stick this tool in here. Maybe I can get a light in there. There's this gap right here. Right here. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna stick this tool in here, you're gonna grab onto the lever, and you're gonna pull it down. And what it's doing, what you're trying to do, is you're trying to hook on it and pull it out. It's as simple as that. So this little tool, lifesaver, got this thing open. And next steps are I need to replace this broken latch. Now, there's so many people out there that have this thing broken, again, but no one's telling you how to unlatch it when it's snapped. So hopefully that helps out. So what I'm doing is I'm taking this piece out because it just fell out, and I'm even putting this piece back in that doesn't have a lever, so I can at least have my trunk lit or this little cover on until I can get this thing replaced. Looks like this thing has been replaced already. Just poorly made, cheap plastic. Thing snaps off. Got a new dilemma. This is on a spring. Well, I can leave it this way until I get the part in, but quick, easy, simple solution to get this thing fixed. I'll just order a new piece and get this in as soon as possible. All right. The part came in, but oh my gosh, riding around with a stupid thing hanging up for a week sucks. But the part came in and looks like it's the right one. So part number, I'll put it in the description. I'll show you where I bought it and all that stuff too. Anyway, let's go ahead and install this new one and make sure it works. I like to take a minute right here and show you what's breaking on these things. The tabs in here are plastic. You'll see that tab right here. And on this side, the chrome part. So what happens is people either crank this thing open too much, which it doesn't need much to open, which snaps these tabs off. Or you're lifting up on this thing while you're slamming it down, which is breaking these things. So it'd be nice if these things were engineered differently, but if you have one of these center consoles, you're going to break this. I mean, there's so many people out there, so many forums, people breaking this thing, and I think this is like the second one replaced in this car. Previous owner may have done it, but this other piece looks like it's been replaced. There's like a little sticker on it. And you can see the tabs are ripped off here, and the whole centerpiece fell out that has this unit on it. Anyway, let's get this installed. Okay, so I wanted to kind of show this to you so you know what's breaking on these things. So right here you can kind of see even the tab that's still in here. This thing right here. These little plastic things are attached to this handle right here. There's 4 of them. And what's happening is they just snap into this thing and moves this thing. It only moves a little bit, and people are cranking these things, and that's what's breaking, is just that little point right here. Anyway, I wanted to show this to you so you guys knew how to open this thing up, because I couldn't find anywhere that told you how to open this when it's broken. Everyone says just fidget around in there, it'll open up, this and that. I needed a solid answer. I spent a lot of time on it, and I finally figured it out. So I hope that was helpful for you guys on using that little pick to kind of pull it out and open it up. And the part number, so you guys know. So it's a 2014 to 2018 center console for GMC or Chevy. I think it's all the same. So anyway, if you like this type of content, please share it with your friends and let everyone know. Subscribe to my channel. Until next time, you guys have a good one. Thank you.